Hello and welcome to a quick demonstration session on how to merge duplicate values within Zoho CRM. So effectively you will have two duplicate companies or more and merge them so that in effect you're deleting the duplicate values and keeping the original. Okay, so this can be done by using a certain function within the CRM. You may end up with duplicate values for various reasons. They can be by two salespeople unknowingly working on the same account without searching in the CRM first, or they could just be that the one salesperson has forgotten about the account and entered it twice, or with an extremely similar name like a dot or a limited versus LTD or something like that. Okay, so there's all manner of reasons why it can be duplicated. We've got an example here, XTY trading. This is the one that we want to keep. Okay, so we can have a quick look at it, and it's a regular account, and scroll down, it's got a couple of potentials, even a couple of contacts, and open activities and closed activities. Okay, so this is a regular account with data associated to it. Now the second one, owned by John Smith, that also is a regular account, and John has been working on that with a potential, there's a contact, and so on. Okay, so this can apply to accounts, each one of them having associated data in them. We want to keep this one, owned by Zoho Demo. So you need to decide which one you're going to keep, and that can be totally up to you based on whatever criteria you decide. Okay, so it could be the account owner has ownership rights, or you might just decide that one of them has more data associated with it than the other and you want to keep the best one. Okay, so you just choose the one that you want to keep, you go to it, you select more actions, find and merge duplicates. Okay, and it will default then, it will ask you for a few criteria, but it defaults to the account name, so you can just leave that, or if you want to you can put in extra information here. Okay, you can search for the extra information if you add it, but it will automatically find the matching records here. Now in this case we want to merge both of them because there are two records with that name. However, there may be more listed here that might be, for example, very similar sounding records with limited or partnership or whatever afterwards on here that might not actually be the same company. So this gives you a chance to select which ones you're going to merge. Then you click next, and then it gives you a couple of notes. By default the first record is set as the master record, and follow and so on. So just go through those, make sure you understand those. Here is where you select the data, the details that you're going to merge. Okay, so we're going to keep the master record here as the Zoho Demo ownership. Okay, and then you can select, do I want to change the field value for this highlighted field into this value? I don't. I'm just going to keep it. I want to keep everything as the master record here, and then when I'm done just click merge, and it gives you a warning message telling you that everything else is going to be transferred to the master account, and that's what I want. So I click submit, and then when it's done that, it will jump to the master record, and now the potential that was on the duplicate owned by John is actually being transferred over here and merged into the other two, along with the other two that were in the master record, as has the contact Frank Jones that John was working with. It now has been merged into the other contact list with the other contacts on the master record, and all the activities and so on, that will happen as well. And now when I go back to the accounts, you might see that they're still there, so all you need to do is refresh the page. If you still see the duplicates, it's just a case of refreshing, and now you can see there is one XTY trading, and all of the information from the duplicated account is now merged inside the master account, and the duplicate account has been removed. And that's how you merge duplicate accounts within Zoho CRM.